back to Modern Garage. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. In fact, I think it's been about maybe 7-8 months. But we are back, and I want to kind of show you a little bit of what's been going on, why I haven't been making videos, a little update on the car, and kind of what's to come. So come along with me. We'll start this guy up. It hasn't been started since September, so let's see if she'll start. All right, there's a little bit of a process. So right now the battery is disconnected, so we're going to connect that. Come around the back, got a bunch of stuff in here from when we moved it. The one thing we need is, I don't know if you guys can see, but is this key. So key in, turn it, and battery is on. All right, next thing we want to do, turn on the fans. So, first things first, turn on the key, got power, hold our start, make sure we're in neutral, and let's go. That was pretty good. Wow, she gets a run for a while. Let's see what's going on here. I'm locked in. So, as you guys can see, it is still winter outside, so here we go. So if you've watched my videos for a while, you'll know that this isn't normally where I work on my car. In fact, behind me, behind that garage door, is what I call my back garage, and that's my workshop. But there's a reason that this is in the front garage. So let's show you that, and I'll talk a little bit about what's going on back there. Let's do it. So as you can see, we've got some drywall here because there's been some modifications. So here's what's been going on. Yeah, so I built a golf simulator in my garage. I know that might seem crazy to some of you, but here it is. Here it is. So if you remember, this has always been my side of the garage, but my brother has a green MG as well. In fact, you should go follow his Instagram. He's been uploading a bunch of stuff. He's really working hard on his car. But this is where his car used to sit. And while this is green, that is not his car. We have taken over his bay, and we've put in a golf simulator. So again, you might be asking yourself, why did I throw a golf simulator in my garage, and why haven't I been working on the car? Well, quite frankly, I haven't been working on the car just because last we worked on it, we got to test drive it. It's good to go. There's still a lot we need to do, finish the interior, button some things up, but it is essentially ready to drive. And since September, we really haven't had any weather good enough to drive it, so it's just been sitting. And in that time, one of my other passions has kind of taken over a little bit, and that is golf. I've been golfing since I was young with my dad, and I don't know, I decided this is something I wanted to pursue. And so that being said, if you are a fan of me and what I do, and want to see this car a little more, and enjoy golf, I've actually started a golf YouTube channel. It's called Greg's Golf. Obviously, I'm Greg, and I'll be golfing. But we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff, a lot of it with the sim in the summertime, maybe some outdoor content as well. But I'm extremely excited. I'm extremely excited because one, I love golf, but two, I love making videos. Three of my biggest passions are cars, golf, and making videos. And the cars and making videos really wasn't working out too much because if I didn't have something to work on, I really couldn't make a video. And if I did have something to work on, it meant that I had to spend a lot of money to do whatever it was. I don't know if you guys have built a car, but it's not cheap. Every little thing is, you know, $20, $30, $40. Every big thing is $100, $200, $300, $400, and it really adds up. So, am I done working on the car? Absolutely not. Are you still gonna see videos on the car? Absolutely. But if you want to see some golf videos and see some other stuff with me, like I said, the link for my new channel is in the top link in the description, the top line there. Go subscribe. Tell me you came from Modern Garage. I'll be making some stickers and some merchandise soon. I will definitely send things your way, especially if you're a subscriber of both. That's kind of it. In terms of the car itself, I said I'd give you a little update. It is ready to go. On the front, you might have noticed this black bar. We actually towed it home. You've probably seen. I had one of my shorts go a little viral when I was bringing this home, but we towed it home with the truck, just like you would behind an RV, and it actually worked great. Which is cool because now we can move it anywhere we want. If you want to bring it to a car show or something, we don't want to drive it, we can just tow it behind, which is cool. But all the lights work, everything's wired up. You guys saw it started up right away after sitting for quite a few months. So lots of great stuff here with the car. I'm excited to keep working on it. My brother Chris, working on his, has really kind of got me motivated to do some stuff with this. But that's kind of the update for the car. Not a whole lot has changed. Now, going back to my passions, car and making videos all the time doesn't really work. You can still do car, still have fun with the car, but making videos, there's not a whole lot I can do left, especially in the profession that I am. If you guys don't know, I'm actually a teacher. And a lot of automotive YouTube, besides building cars, which is what I wanted to do, although money is kind of the factor there, a lot of automotive YouTubers do stuff that maybe wouldn't be, let's just say maybe it's frowned upon when you're a teacher. And so I don't want to get myself in any trouble. I want to be a good role model for students. And not much I can go wrong with golf. And so I've kind of shifted in terms of my creation to that golf side. What's nice is I can just make content whenever I want. I can fire this thing up. I'm going to be joining a golf tour, doing some tournaments, some 2v2 scramble tournaments with my brother, maybe with my wife, doing some challenges, lots of fun stuff I can do with this. So this is the direction I'm going. Like I said, the car's not going anywhere, the channel's not going anywhere. I will still be uploading whenever I get a chance to work on this, but that's going to be a little not as consistent as the golfing will be. So once again, if you'd like to follow my channel, the link is down below. It is called Greg's Golf. The logo is my face, my beard with Greg's Golf. You'll find it. You can follow me on Instagram as well if you'd like to. But besides that, I just wanted to say thanks for still being here. I know lately we're at 630 subscribers at the time of me recording this, which is pretty crazy because I think the last time I uploaded I had maybe like 500. So thank you guys for sticking around. For the new people, thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you stay. Maybe you're into golf too, and we'll see some of you over there. All right. I think that's it for me. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.